Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream red. To achieve a beautiful red hue, always opt for gel food coloring. Begin by whipping your heavy cream until it starts to thicken, then introduce the gel coloring. Start with just 2 or 3 drops, mixing gently, and observe the color. You can always add more in tiny increments, ensuring you reach your desired shade without overcoloring. This method helps maintain the cream's perfect texture. Creating various red shades is simple with gel food coloring. For a delicate pink, 1 or 2 drops are usually sufficient. If you're aiming for a classic, vibrant red, you'll likely need between 5 and 8 drops. For a really deep, rich red, you might use up to 10 or 12 drops. Remember, the exact amount depends on the brand and concentration of your gel, so always add slowly and check the color as you go. For the best red whipped cream, temperature is key. Make sure your heavy cream, mixing bowl, and whisk attachment are all thoroughly chilled before you begin. Whip the cream until it forms medium stiff peaks. This provides the best texture and stability for holding its color. Be careful not to overwhip, as it can quickly turn grainy. Once colored, store your beautiful red whipped cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Red whipped cream is incredibly versatile for decorating. It adds a festive touch to any dessert, from pies and tarts to hot chocolate. Try piping it onto cupcakes or cakes for a professional finish. You can even create stunning ombre effects by layering different intensities of red. For holiday celebrations, combine it with white or green whipped cream to make your treats truly stand out and delight your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.